Hi friends, it's Lisa Hetrick, illustrator for Gina K Designs, and I'm so grateful you could join me today. I have a brand new stamp set to share called Beauty in Everything, and this stamp set coordinates with last month's stamp set, and I'm going to show you how. It is super, super fun, and it's completely inspired by farm flowers, like farm market flowers. When you go to the farmer's market or when you go to your local market and your flowers are folded up in that beautiful piece of craft paper, I wanted to recreate that look and feel for this stamp set, and that's what I did. So let's go ahead to the down camera and let's take a look at the stamp set, do a complete walkthrough of the inspiration, and share some of the other goodies I have for you. Okay, so let's dive in. Here is the stamp set called Beauty in Everything. Just love it. So here is that stamp that mimics that look and feel of craft paper being wrapped around your flowers. This is a super, super fun stamp set. So excited to share it tonight. There's also a coordinating die set that goes along with it if you're interested. But let's go ahead and take a complete walkthrough. Let me walk you through all of the images and the sentiments in this set. So again, here's that craft big honking stamp that mimics that craft paper that folds over into your flowers. So a lot of the other flowers in my stamp collection will go really, really well in here. We've got this polka dot piece right here that when you can do the two-step stamping, you can get that polka pattern right inside. We've got lots of filler leafery here. I've got two big honking pieces of leafery and then two leaves here. One is open line and one is a solid, so that you can stamp them separately, and you can also stamp this inside of here. Now we also have another two-step stamping option here with the florals. So my favorite thing to do with these beyond stamping, doing the two-step stamping, is to just kind of give it a little wonky turn where you end up getting a little bit of the color and a little bit of the line art showing through. I also have silhouette and open line flower options that go in the opposite direction. We've got some sweet sentiments here. Bloom with grace, find the beauty in everything, bloom and grow, and hello beautiful. And the cool thing about bloom and grow and hello beautiful is that they fit in this cute little clip piece that I've added to the sentiment, to the stamp set, this little sentiment clip. And looks like I cut that off a little bit. We've got this really fun bow that can be used with the craft paper and can be used to just kind of tie things together. So let's go ahead and walk through some of the inspiration. Okay, now this card is super, super fun. I've added the blooms and all of the leafery and did this little patterned background, and you can see that polka piece right here being used as a patterned background as well. Really, really fun. Here's that clip sentiment piece that I was talking about. Love that. Just a little tiny piece that you can kind of add there. Now, all of these stamps are in proportion to all of the other stamps in my collection, so you can see that some of these little filler elements are going to work really nicely with other stamps in my collection. Okay, let's go ahead and take a peek at this one. This is just a really fun card where I've created a pattern along the edge, and I've got that polka coming out, and this is what I was talking about with that bloom. So we have the solid version of this bloom and then the line art version, and they do fit perfectly into each other. You can see that here, and also here how I turned it a little bit. If you just take that stamp and kind of wonk it out just a little bit, you're able to get a little bit of lights and darks and just add a little contrast to your piece. So that's what I did in that card, a little schmutz there, but you know, card making is fun. Okay, so moving on to the next one. So this is a really fun card that shows off that craft paper cone, and I've got all of the different blooms just kind of popping out of it, and this sentiment, bloom with grace, fits perfectly inside that cone. That cone is kind of subtle here. I've done it in some craft ink, but you can see that it's a really fun element to work with the flowers. Okay, I had to have a watercolor version, of course, in the inspiration tonight. So here are those two beautiful blooms, and I just used Passionate Pink and just touched it very lightly to get that washy watercolor look, and took that cone and kind of put that back there and stamped in the polka dot in some wild dandelion. And there is that cute little sentiment clip, really clean and simple card, super fun. Now, here is a card example that I wanted to share with you that works with last month's stamp set, where we have the umbrella elements added to the cone, added to the craft cone to kind of give it that umbrella feel, very similar to the way all of the inspiration was for last month's set. And all of the little floral elements and the leafy elements just all tied up right there with the little tides. Just super cute. And I added the rain in the background. It's really important to me to share that you can use my stamp sets and coordinate them with other stamp sets in my collection, because everything is in proportion to each other and will work really well with each other. And then I just topped it off with Fine Beauty and everything right here. Just love it. Oh, okay. Now, here's just a cute little cluster of the florals and the leafery that are in the stamp set. And I just added that showers of blessings to you. Super, super cute. Okay, now, as always, I have a free card idea sheet for the Beauty and Everything card ideas. And I've also noted that this set coordinates with Showers of Blessings, the stamp set from last month. And there are 8 different ideas on this card sheet, and it's in full color. This will be in the Gina K Designs Facebook group. It's on my website at indigojadeart.com. And once you go to that website, you'll see the free downloads link for you to go ahead and grab this for free. And let's take another quick look at the stamp set. Let's take another quick look. Love it. Again, here are all the elements, and this just craft cone just makes me so happy. Reminds me so much of the farmer's market flowers when you go to the farmer's market to get flowers. Super fun set, coordinates with a lot of other sets, all of the sets in my stamp collection, and I hope you really, really enjoy it. Thanks so much, friends, for joining me for this stamp set walkthrough for Beauty and Everything with Gina K Designs. This stamp set is available at ginakdesigns.com right now. The links for everything that I talked about tonight are down below in the description. I'll see you next time, friends.